ideal employee profile. There's a lot of people that apply to our jobs, but very few of them really can make this job work for them. So stay tuned until the end and you're gonna learn exactly how to hire better employees. So you need to know if do they have transportation. And nowadays, transportation means to even know what kind of car they have and what kind of engine they have. If you don't know that, and it happened to me, we hire people that had a car, obviously, and then a couple of days later they quit because they have a V8 engine. Gas prices are so expensive that they just decided to quit. So nowadays we even have to know exactly what type of car they're driving, and this allows us to really say if they, really this will be a good fit for them or not. Follow Pipehire for more tips.